Hi Slovak learners, ahojte! Listen to this. Toto je moje. Ona je moja priateľka. Moje and moja are possessive pronouns. Today we are going to learn all possessive pronouns in Slovak language and how to use them with examples. Download a document with this lesson at the description. Let's start. Začíname. But before starting, if you haven't already, please follow us so you'll know when we release new videos. But what are possessive pronouns? Possessive pronouns indicate ownership or belonging regarding to the word that follows. So, in the example, toto je moje, this is mine. Moje indicates that it belongs to me. Slovak language has three types of possessive pronouns according to their gender. We have masculine ones. They need to be placed before a masculine noun, like môj stôl, my table. Feminine pronouns used before a feminine noun, moja kniha, my book, tvoja kniha, your book. And also neuter pronouns, moje auto, my car. In general, these are the possessive pronouns in all genders in nominative case. My, môj, moja, moje. Your, informal, tvoj, tvoja, tvoje. His, jeho, for all. Her, jej, also for all. Our, náš, naša, naše. Your, formal, plural, váš, vaša, vaše. Their, ich. Slovak possessive pronouns change not just because of the gender of the nouns that follows, but also because of the case it has in the sentence. So, if it is nominative, accusative, genitive, and so on, and also if it is singular or plural. Let's check in detail all the forms with the gender, cases, and number for môj. It has the following endings in singular. Pause the video to see it in detail. The plural forms are as follows. The other possessive forms, like tvoj, náš, váš, have the same endings. So the forms for tvoj, tvoja, tvoje are. There are, however, other possessive forms that can be confusing. These are forms associated with writing svoj. These have the following changes in case, gender, and number. The pronoun svoj is a reflexive one. This means it is used to reflect the subject of the sentence. So, in these cases, the possessor is the same as the subject. In English, they would mean something like mine, yours, or my own, your own, expressing that it belongs to the same person. Let's see the examples. Čítam svoju knihu. I am reading my book, my own book, so the book belongs to me, the subject. Ona píše svoj list. She is writing her own letter. The letter belongs to her. Let's now check other possessive pronouns in sentences and how they change in different cases. In genitive case, bez môjho domu, without my house, bez tvojej knihy, without your book. In accusative, vidím môj dom, I see my house. Vidím tvoju knihu, I see your book. Or in instrumental, s mojím domom, with my house, s tvojou knihou, with your book. It is your time to practice. Try to complete the following sentences with the correct possessive pronoun. My brother is a doctor. Môj brat je doktor. I see your mom. Vidím tvoju mamu. I am traveling with my father. Cestujem s mojím otcom. Nicely done! Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about these pronouns. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos and don't forget to subscribe. Ciao! Bye!